She was really nice. The first guy we talked to goes, no, you have to pay for this one.
Had you in my
No, they're not going to change.
Terrible in flavor, and it comes as a paper.
Nice. Dude, so what are we gonna do tonight, guys?
I don't know. That's up to you guys.
I don't know. This is your city.
It's not. This is not my city. What do you want to do?
I don't know. We gotta leave for the airport at 3:45. We are going to go get some Chinese food. Yeah, ting chong chong song. Did my dad say how long it was gonna take?
He said 10 to 15 minutes, so we can go now.
Should we go to Chick-fil-A and get a snacky?
Okay, you guys seriously are psychos.
Psychos.
I got a free sandwich. It's your app.
Wait, who's this Taco Bell for?
You.
So you're a firefighter, right? Can you tell us some crazy stories?
What kind of crazy stories?
Like a crazy story that's PG.
That's really hard to pull up on the spot. One time there was a fire. Okay, every children quiet.
Okay. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another Schmidtty vlog. So today...
Hi, can I get 2 grilled club sandwiches,
She's very
please?
serious.
My pleasure.
And that's all.
Well done.
Michael, I
What?
can't believe you.
Dude.
You are the kids I hate.
It's time to shake things up a little bit, if you know what I mean. First day back to college, and Jason's supposed to be starting a new diet, right? But we come in, and the fridge is full of soda. Like, Jason, you're not gonna go anywhere, buddy, if it's all like this. So, without further ado, boys, help me load up this. Okay. It's gonna be, where's my soda? Oh, I don't want it. Oh no! And one for funsies! First of all, we also gotta help him out with this. This is unacceptable.
Yeah, I can see that. I got that. Where'd my soda go? Huh?
Hey, your diet starts today.
Hey, can I have a package of ramen?
Hey!